Mommy say she get discharged today, so we are carrying her home right now. I never get to see her yesterday, and she get medication yet?
I'm not sure.
We're not even sure, so we really don't know the status of her right now, and when she comes she would have to tell me what is what, because she just send me pictures while inside, so I don't know if nothing heal, I don't know if she get medication, I don't know nothing at all. So we are carrying her home right now, so when we go home we will see what is what. We are going to finish pack up the stuff them and just carry her out, and hopefully I can give you like a little update, because I get a lot of questions and true, I don't really have no answers. My uncle can just tell them, say we are going to watch everything we are going to see it. And as we are saying, that's a couple of the community tab posts, we really appreciate the people and we are reach out and ask. So I say, I appreciate a lot so far.
I was feeling some terrible pain, and I just say, I take 2 pain tablets and just go lie down. So I don't sleep, man.
Mommy, I walk strong.
Let me say, I basically run through the door. That way there. My skin look away when I see when I see so much one time. You know, like when you see skin from the chicken.
Oh, Lord.
I tell you. What the way them, what the way them. Me always say me have good skin, you know.
Yeah. Nurse them say, that's why they take care of your good skin.
You see him so? Wee! Can't take off his off of me head.
Oh my God, God is so good.
Man.
No, it's on one sleep.
Well, you can get whole heap of sleep tonight. What is that?
I hope so, because I was feeling pain and then you start sleep.
Hey, this, I'm going to give you one joke. This is the longest you ever spend from your yard. Ever.
Wait, the mommy, how long did they stay with the accident?
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, 5 days.
Whoa, this long for true.
5 days?
That was 5 days.
When you hit bonded?
Yeah, when the accident, Jason. And now me spend, no?
1 week.
1 week and 2 days.
1 week and 3 days.
3.
Oh, yeah.
1 week and 3 days.
Well, best part is?
This part is a group now. You know, say you have a new neighbor now.
Who?
And you, one.
That's true, dear.
No go so.
No, new name.
No, what is that?
But I go get one pet.
Which pet?
What kind of pet?
Jody said she want one puppy.
Which one and which puppy? Oh, from...
Mommy said she don't want no puppy.
Make she stay here. She go stay here and take care of puppy.
No, but it's good for you have a little dog in the yard.
I don't have time to take care of my body, but just got talk about puppy. All the while she had them about puppy. I mean, I don't have time for them. There's so much joy. She better care go at home, darling.
What do you now go back at town for now?
Every time she tell me, say, I will tell her so. Jordan tell me, say, she above tomorrow.
So how will stay with you?
I don't know. I'm a strong woman. I'm going to the kitchen. I go wash all my plate with no one. I just because they cooking on my problem now. Hey, this morning, I couldn't put my hand like this morning. And when if the doctor come in, and when she done them, they gonna do my hand like this and see they stare until now. See there? Can't see there and just see my hand
See
dry
it
up.
move and it's dry off.
I could have put my hand like this.
I remember say it they looking worse, you know?
Yeah, because when we went to the doctor, when we came to the hospital, the doctor said, Miss White, even though your body burn, but you see your hand. When I do the test for my hand, man, believe you me, it's like needle go through my whole hand. Yeah, because they see the nerves. The nerves in the hand. wasn't easy, but thank God. Them young lady then should have come back to me in a boat. I don't know me, I'll get me physiotherapy exercise. So I have to come back now.
I love how them, as much as our people always have bad things to say about hospital, when them do pay attention, I love one time, you know, I love what them do. Because one thing, them clean you up and them ensure that everything alright. And not only that, I never they know that them have like special areas where if you go hospital, go complain about them, the area there, you have to get admitted.
Oh.
It don't matter like, say if you cry for your chest or any like them, the place there, them now gonna just let you, it's so easy. So when we think say you're not bad once you
Well,
cry for them,
I thought great improvement to the hospital yesterday, you know.
true.
I can't want to do a video with them, but them really take care of me. I tell you something, I check like them out here for the blood test and injection, you know. Hey, I came in here last week Saturday. And Saturday, I got one injection because night I came in and from that I 2 injections every day. Every day for some leg. Every single day antibiotic. Every single day. Pill galore. The amount of pills you take, I forget one special pill. I forget a special pill. Where are you going? What's this name here?
We are going on. You tell us you don't used to the place again, man. You go in couple days and I remember how to go ahead.
No, listen, man. When I tell not realize I'm going.
So, at the next day now, I could record everything because I don't know. Mommy just come from hospital, so she stay home with Jody last night. So I check on her right now because I remember she said, Jody, I go up. So I don't know who I go end up stay with her. I don't know if I'm here if I go stay with her or whatever. So I check in to see what I go on. Is it? So I just want to know what I go. I know say she come out. I want to say she come out, but I don't want to make sure we don't know what's up. So we are gonna know one time. So I like when I know this way after I'm gonna hear it, is it? Sister White?
Yes, sir. Brother Jason.
Hey, what's up? So me I ask you if you're alright.
Yes, I am alright.
Oh, she chilling on her veranda, she must be alright.
Yeah, I feel no pain here right now.
Who that, Sandra?
Yeah.
Yo, make sure mommy not, look at do something for me. Make sure mommy not take up a broom, not talk about no wipe, no sweep, not talk about if you do nothing, because I know of your style that.
Yeah. But mommy not talk about no what? No broom, no wipe, no sweep, in there I wash.
What?
No worries. Me sweep from morning already, you're done there.
Mommy, God go with you.
Me sweep already from morning, and when me done wash here, me know, you have to call Jason and say, heaven bless him, 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 because I have a machine and I won't, because when I come and see I must be washing a machine this morning. And I'm here watching you, Jason. I'm going to catch you water, would have been me see him and we see me take water in a machine. You tell me, Jason, I am a strong man. I am a strong man, God.
No, you know, I don't want your video right now because I can't bother master. I think some mommy in her bed lie down.
Let me tell you something, God made me strong.
Oh,
Picked up this man, Miss report in over the car porch bathroom and tell you to cut mat. None of me carry them go sell and wash. Almost set a sheet, me wash and enjoy already. You're lucky.
all the time people don't know for rest, you know.
No, we're strong. Let me tell you something. We don't need no fertilizer.
You know what? Mommy, how your back feel now?
Yeah, tell you something. Said they review me. Oh God. When I come home last night and after I just turn on the fan low. You know, I lie down face first, so you know there's a cool breeze and the mindset. And come back on my house and me just me in my bed. Me I tell when I'm going because I'm going to go on my yard because I can't take a little bed and I can't get this spread out. I mean, Jason, I know part of me band on the bed last night because I just come on my leg and crash with the bed. And I sleep. Then wake up this morning, I daylight.
That's good.
I daylight. When you wake up and me come out and I live in Ireland, there, check my phone and I look. When I see him, nurse was so nice to me in the hospital, and she missed the pass.
Okay.
And yeah, we still the same nurse, and I never know. See, I don't know she go for, but maybe when I see her, I don't get no because you know, we see her. I see her face and whatsoever, but me look, me see her she. Me tell you, man. Yes, sir. Me would have wanted the wound to rest to the farm, but me not feel no pain and in anyway. And my hand, the whole skin has stripped off right now. Right now, the only thing me need, I don't know, Jason probably tomorrow I have to go get dressed. I don't know if you're available, you can go down and I can get dressed.
Oh man, me I gotta do it, man.
Alright, so. But me there for man, I don't feel no pain. I take my tablet them. I make my breakfast. And Sandra come look for me and my way over here, laugh and chat. It's like, say, I not even remember about say the one is there. I not like, God, no, God is so good. I see me the phone in my left hand, this man had to put the phone out of my hand. I was talking to somebody. I said, why you take the phone out of my hand? Put back the phone in my hand. I only kept it on and look at man, these hands will have to work again because when the therapist doing me ask me to phone me face and find that me phone me face same way. I said, book me to pass this one and me and no bed. Alright,
Later. Let's move later.
Alright. You think that this is easy? Go ahead, put me past this together. Easy. You can't trust them, messages.
Me I go see that. But the best part is mommy alright in terms of say she out of the hospital. Yo, me feel totally better. I just feel help her to get the wounds and me heal up, you know. Yo, this lady no rest. As so she grow. You see, in time you talk about work ethic, me get my work ethic from my mother. You see what I say? Me don't know rest. Me don't know. Once me need to do something, I do something. My mother get up and clean and I wash. When she says she get the water in the machine, more likely she use a hose to get the water in there. I don't know rough nothing she's supposed to do. But the reason I'm asking her because I know she stay. Anyway, I'm not going to make the video no longer. Me soon come back with some videos. I'm busy with mommy right now. You see it? So, I'm going to hold out. I'm so forward. Squad.